What if I told you we could save you tens of thousands of pounds a year just by removing the comms cable from your robot arm? Let me explain. Every year, many businesses lose tens of thousands of pounds a year in downtime associated with comms cable failures on their robot arms. For one of our biggest automotive customers, this became such a problem that they asked us to find them an alternative solution. This is where our wireless system came into its own. We have a networkable base unit which is mounted near to the control panel and a remote I/O valve manifold which is mounted on the robot arm itself. This eliminates the need for the comms cable as all communications are now done wirelessly. All that's needed on the robot arm now are DC and air connections, and they're known to be well proven and reliable solutions. Most of the problems this company was having was in the weld area of the plant. We know that if the weld area has a productivity issue, this has a knock-on effect to other areas in the facility. If you can't make welded components, you can't paint them and fit them to the final vehicle. Also, as the problems were in the weld area, our system needed to be able to cope with the high frequencies generated during the weld cycle. We also needed enough wireless range to get from the control panel to the robot arm itself. We addressed their security and reliability issues by using a dedicated radio-based system. This system is fully encrypted and it also frequency hops every 5 milliseconds. It's this frequency hopping which makes our system immune to the frequencies generated during the weld cycle. From a range point of view, we have 10-metre radius from the base unit to the robot arm itself, and this has proven to be ample for the applications we've been asked to look at. This customer has been using this system for several years now, with no downtime associated with comms cable failures. As a result, they've saved tens of thousands of pounds a year, but perhaps more importantly, they've kept the plant running efficiently. So, if you would like to make the same kind of savings and start building smarter robot cells, please contact me directly.